See? How was it? Beautiful, right? Hello everyone! Once again, this is Britz. So, as you remember last time, Jen and Lisa already do the unboxing of this doll, Mermaid Mini Cordelia. So, this time, I will try to assemble some parts of this doll, Mini Cordelia. So, these are the parts of this doll. So, this doll has two tails, this one. So you can choose either this one or this one. It's up to you what you're going to put in the tail of this mermaid. Then, second, we also have this one pair, these two pair. So there is also some thing you can put in the tail of the mermaid. So you can also choose whether this one or this one. Then we also have these two, another two pairs of these parts. This part you can put in the head parts of the mermaid. So you can also choose which one of these you will put on the hair, the head of the mermaid. And then we also have this one pair of shell. We also have this one. This one is the accessory. You can also use this one when you're going to set up. What kind of setup you're going to your doll, to this mermaid doll. Now, let us try to put the parts of the mermaid. First, let's try this one. These two sets. So first, you have to put this one. She's so beautiful. Then, let's put this one. Then, okay. Then the pair of the one is this one. So, like this. See? It's beautiful. Then you can replace with this another pair if you like. So you can put like this. See? So it's up to you which one you will choose to put. This doll don't have outfit, so we don't have an outfit for this mermaid. So we only have fins and some parts of this mermaid. But together with this doll, we have the human version of its body. So inside this box, you can see the another body, which is the human version. This is the mermaid version of the body. So let's go back to the parts. Once again, here you can choose either this one or this one. Then next is in the hip parts. So as you can see, we also have two parts. This one. So you can choose also either this part or this pair or this pair. So you can put here. See, how was it? Beautiful, right? Then let us try the other one. Other one. This one. Wow. Here. So again, you can choose which pair you will put. It's either this one or this one. And of course, you cannot call this doll as mermaid if there is no tail. So here is the two pair of tails. We only don't have one but two pair of tails. So you can put here. You can choose either this one or this one. It's up to you. Which one you like. So we will just show you some pictures with a complete outfit of this doll. Anyway, I will show you the another body parts of this mermaid doll. So this one is the human body, the human parts of the mermaid. So here, so this is the human parts of the mermaid. If you like her to become a human, so you can replace its body part in this. This is the human parts and this is the mermaid part. Human body and the mermaid body. So I think that's all for now. If you like to watch the unboxing of this mermaid doll, then we will just put the link below. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe and click the bell button below so that you will be notified for the next video. That's all. Thank you. See you next time.